I had moved around a lot before I came to law school. I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do after I graduated. And coming here has really honed in exactly what I want to do. I want to go into prosecution. And since my second year, there hasn't been a doubt in my mind that that's exactly what I want to do.
I definitely have become a much more aggressive person, much more less willing to let somebody else really kind of like knuckle down on me. That's been kind of an interesting experience, but a good experience and a very liberating experience as well.
I'd have to rate all of the professors here pretty highly. There are some that stand out more than others, but there are so many that stand out. It's hard to just pick one good one because I feel like I'd be doing a disservice.
Most memorable experience here has been the trial advocacy team. Judge David Erickson runs it. When I got into school, I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do, and got involved in that, and it's been the greatest experience in law school.
It's law school, so it's challenging academically. You know, there is that level of engagement and immersion here, but it's not competitive. You know, I've noticed that any time that I may miss a class or something, people I don't even know will offer me their notes.
I came to Kent because of the legal writing program, and I have not been disappointed in that. It's very stringent. It's very difficult. They put you through the paces, but my writing has improved dramatically. And I know that's a big part of being an attorney, is your written product, your written work product. So if you can't present yourself well on paper, you're not going to win in court. The only way to win in court is to be able to win the judge over before you get there.
First year I interned at a civil firm just doing personal injury law. So kind of just got the practical stuff there. After that, started doing a trial advocacy team and I've been interning at the State Attorney's Office since last year.
Working in the clinic, you get firsthand experience with people that are looking for representation. The problem is most of them don't know much about the legal system in America and don't have the money to hire an attorney. So it sort of strengthened my belief that, you know, we should be providing that along with like healthcare and education and other community building resources.
All the administrators here are great. The people in the offices, if you need help, they get you the help or they find someone who can help you.
You learn to disagree without being so disagreeable. You know, much of the law is argumentation and, you know, one position versus another. And you know, Kent has done a good job of not making us so like cutthroat and savage with each other, but, you know, instilling an air of civility about it.
It wasn't just theory that we were learning, but stuff that when I go out if I step into a courtroom for State Attorney's Office, I'm ready. And I feel prepared, and I feel like Chicago Kent's the only reason that I'm prepared that way.
Right now I work as a law clerk with a fella here in the city. He's been an attorney in the city for about 30 years. I'm at the Daly Center frequently. I'm running back and forth to Dirksen all the time, filing papers. I get to write complaints. I get to read complaints that he's written and make modifications to those.
I've been pleased to death with my experience here at Kent.